Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to remove Git from Visual Studio Code quickly and safely. First, decide whether you need to remove only the Vscode integration or the system Git executable. Disabling integration prevents Vscode from showing Git features. Uninstalling system Git removes the Git command from your computer. You may need to edit path environment variables after removal. Finally, restart Vscode and your computer to ensure changes take effect. Open the command palette and run extensions. Show installed extensions to find Git-related extensions. Click the built-in Git extension and choose Disable or Uninstall when available. Open Settings and set Git. Enabled to false to stop Vscode from using Git features. For any third-party Git extensions, click Uninstall and then reload window when prompted. These steps stop Vscode from tracking repositories and remove UI elements like the source control. To remove the system Git executable, use your OS package manager or uninstaller. On Mac OS, run brew uninstall git or delete the git binary from /usr/local/bin. On Linux, run sudo apt remove git or the equivalent package command for your distro. On Windows, uninstall Git from apps and features or remove its path entry in environment variables. After removal, open a terminal and run Git version to confirm the command is unavailable. Restart your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.